Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a Bittorrent token. So what is the next target of Bittorrent token? As you know, today as the month starts day friends. Today is the first day of May friends. So finally we decide that what is the next target of Bittorrent token and the new month friends on the basis of technical analysis friends. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently price of Bittorrent token is about 0.007271 USD is the currently price of Bittorrent token friends. If we look the price change of Bittorrent tokens, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, last 1 week change is positive friends. All the changes occur in the Bittorrent token. That means that the April month of the Bittorrent token is the pumping jumping month of the Bittorrent token friends. But if we look, as you can see here, the previous period the Bittorrent token as the highest period, but unfortunately if we look the price change is positive, that's not mean that the only take a jump. As you can see here, only at this point they take a jump, and after at this point, as you can see here, they gradually falls down friends. So now after a falls there is a jump. That is a phenomenon of cryptocurrency. So now as you can see here, the continuously falls occur in the Bittorrent token. So now the next target of Bittorrent token is to take a jump friends. I think that there is a 90% chances to they take a jump in the new month, and 10% chances to they falls down friends. So what's your opinion about Bittorrent token? Can they hit about 1 USD in this month or not friends? Please share your opinion in the comment box friends. If you look the price change occur in the Bittorrent token in the April, so 44.64% positive change occur in the Bittorrent token, and the highest price is about 0.013385 USD is the highest price. And now if we, as you can see here, the currently price of Bittorrent token 0.007267 USD is the current price of Bittorrent token friends. So absolutely, I think that the new month is a good month of Bittorrent token. They take a jump friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.